Today we are going to learn how to use our Dockets tool on Bloomberg Law. By the end of this course, you will know how to manage your firm's caseload and how to gain insights into your adversary to help best inform your litigation strategy. If you need assistance in using the advanced functionality on our Docket Search form, creating docket alerts, and utilizing our Docket Key feature, please refer to our video on using dockets to create new business opportunities and locating a sample document. You can utilize our Dockets database to manage ongoing litigation your firm may currently be involved in, or even a case that may impact your client. You can access our Dockets Advanced Search within the Litigation Intelligence Center, located within the Browse menu, or by typing Docket Search in our global search bar and selecting it from the drop-down of auto suggestions. On the Docket Search form, type in a specific court in the Courts field. If you have the court docket number, you can enter it in the docket number search field. The question mark next to docket number will provide formatting suggestions for federal PACER dockets. If you do not have a docket number, you can utilize the other search fields to locate a specific docket. Click Search to locate the docket, and then select the hyperlinked case name to view the docket and the details of the case. The Docket Sheet will list the header information at the top along with party information below. As a fully integrated platform, some fields may be hyperlinked and can quickly take you to another database, such as Judge. You can click on the hyperlink if you would like to learn more about the judge's background sourced from our People Profile database. Below the header information, you can view your firm's representation of a party as well as other firms involved by clicking Expand All from the Parties and Attorneys section. You can also hide the representation by clicking Minimize. The docket currency on the right-hand side will indicate the last date and time this docket was updated on Bloomberg Law. For dockets that are automatically updated, any updates will be published as they are received via electronic feed. Bloomberg Law will update federal district court dockets and Chapter 11 bankruptcy dockets on a monthly rolling basis. For most PACER dockets, Bloomberg Law provides a preview of certain updates to indicate that the current docket may need to be updated to reflect those additions. For PACER dockets and those that can be manually updated, click Update Docket and then Accept from the pop-up to update the docket with the latest changes, such as new filings or additional parties added. Additional charges may apply to update a docket. Please click the Pricing Details link within the pop-up for more information. To easily monitor the progress of a case that your firm is litigating and be notified when new filings are added, click Track Docket at the top of the page. In the pop-up, be sure to set a frequency of how often you would like the track to run and click Accept. You will then receive an email based on the frequency you set that will indicate any changes made to the docket. Additional charges may apply to track a docket. The Pricing Details link at the bottom of the pop-up will provide more information. You can always modify your tracks from your alert management page by typing it in the global search bar and selecting it from the drop-down. If you are looking to gain insight into an attorney's past filings and how those may have fared so that you can best inform your litigation strategy, you can access the documents from the docket entry section of any docket sheet. For cases with many filings, use the Keywords field to filter entries related to that type of document and click Search Entries. Courts that are integrated with our Docket Key technology will include an additional option to allow you to select by document type. You can also click Reverse Entries to quickly pull up the latest filing. Access the document by clicking View. You can always request documents on Bloomberg Law not yet on our platform by clicking the Request button. Additional fees may apply when requesting documents and can be seen by clicking on Pricing Details. Click Accept, and Bloomberg Law will attempt to retrieve the document. A notification will be sent to you when the document is ready. You can then review the brief to learn how your adversary crafted his or her arguments in similar cases to yours to evaluate how best to advise your client. In addition, you can review any related orders on the docket to determine how that argument fared in court by clicking View. Thank you for listening and understanding how best to utilize dockets to manage your firm's caseload and gain insights into your adversary. Thank you for participating in our training today.